I liked the breakout groups and all how we talked about how we can't be separated from God and how God helps us through hard times. And I liked painting our bodies and stuff, and I liked the color wars. That was probably my favorite.
Paint wars
Paint
and
war.
the powder thingy.
The paint war. Yeah, paint war.
Team, probably.
Yeah,
Yeah.
our group was really good and just the friends we made along the way.
Yeah, we have a really great team.
Me, personally, I really liked meeting everybody and getting to have such a good time with like learning about God and everything. Just that part of it.
Same.
Yeah.
Probably getting to know everyone and meeting a ton of new people.
I would say probably the leaders because they're super kind and helpful.